Why? Is everything so difficult? Does not make any sense for everything to be so difficult. Why? Hey, y'all. We are back with another video. And let's see if we are streaming. Why is everything? Hey, babe. What's going on?
You live?
I'm going live.
Go ahead.
You need me?
No.
What, you got me some?
No, this that phone my mom got for Liddy.
Oh, I thought you done bought me some. Close my door for a minute. I won't be long.
No, you good. I got stuff to do.
Oh, I did not realize that I was on. Hey, see. Why, y'all? I'm telling you. That is the question. Why does it have to be so difficult? Um, I did not realize that I was on live. Knew I was getting ready to go live, but I did not realize that it had already went live. Hey everybody. So, if y'all did not catch the video this morning, I was up again at 3:34 a.m. this morning doing a members only video. I've been making some changes, and maybe you need to make changes too, because it's been super slow. And I know that Christmas is right around the corner. And on my website, I do want to try to do something without spending like a whole lot of time updating the website, putting up a beautiful Christmas theme, and then next month, well, it's still November, but y'all know it. By the time you get through with it, the holidays came and it's gone. So, trying to get some stuff up really quickly. If you missed that video this morning, I'm going to show y'all what we went over this morning. And then the members, y'all will be able to see the video. It's actually unlisted right now, so you can actually go and watch it if you know how to get to my unlisted videos. So this morning, what we did is we went in, and let me just show y'all real quick, because let's see, we can just show y'all real quick. So we went in. Why is LPB's website looking like Creative Fabrica? I don't know. Okay. That was the question that Miss Tampa asked me this morning. So what we did is we went in this morning and I showed you guys how to take just a couple of hours out of your morning, go in and update your website. As y'all can see, that's me. Yep, that's PB right there. So showed you guys how to go in really quickly, grab some products off of Creative Fabrica, jump over on Amazon, looked at some of these little, what do you call them, ornaments. And we went in and we created a whole product page over here on the WordPress website. Now I'm working in WordPress. You can follow along and do the same thing on your site. Same exact thing that I did, you could do. And we even went in and created some options for them to upload their own design, where they can add a file upload, or maybe to use design number 1. And then here where it says our first Christmas as mom and dad, it has an area here for them to add their personalization, right? So that was this morning's video. And now I am just going in and I need to go in and kind of go ahead and fix some things, right? I'll show you guys some other things that I did also. So creating a website, y'all, is totally hard for a lot of people. Trying to show you guys how to do things and add other things to your site other than just custom products, because when you sell custom products, when it gets slow, then we're screwed. I used to have a page over on my website for each holiday. And then I switched my provider and ended up forgetting that I had all of those pages over there in that site, and I did not download the site. So thus LPB is starting to do this stuff over and over and over again. But I also showed you guys in the video how to go in and take this area once it's done and the holiday is over, save it as a template over on your website. So next year, all you got to do is just come in and pop it in. So basically, once you get your website structure built and you get all these products built out, it's just popping stuff in, pulling stuff out, popping it in, right? So as we did that first logo design there, we could create the next product, just duplicate the product, change out the picture, change out the shirt colors or whatnot. So what I'm doing now is I actually went in. This button here is not working right now. And so I need to actually create the product stuff for that button. So let's see here. Oh, as a matter of fact, we can go right here. So this happens to be the product. And just kind of give you guys a little preview, show you guys this. Now, I'm going to tell y'all, I've been doing this for so long that, you know, sometimes it comes as second nature to me. This is that time of the year that I get down for my crown, that I jump in and I got time. I'm over here fixing on sublimation printers today. It's printer season. Whoop, whoop. Tampa said, "You're not gonna show them you fixing that printer." Nope. Hell no. Nope, nope, hell no. I don't want to get caught up in fixing printers, but took off the little cartridge thing on there and tried to repair it, and it's not that, it's now the main board, so it done turned into a whole lot of stuff. Anyway, so I'm over here and I got this picture of Santa that I downloaded, the picture and all that stuff. Y'all know, so when you're putting up your own website, right? Even if you go to Creative Fabrica and you grab the artwork and all that stuff, then you got to turn around and you got to create your mock-ups and all that stuff. It can get difficult. I'm going to show y'all in this video how to do it real quick. But you got to have your stuff organized. So here I actually just went in. I did my t-shirt color. So I didn't want to do the swatches on here. I just want 10 colors. I want it to be quick and simple. But what I want to do is I want to do a mock-up with all these colors, right? And then I want them to be able to choose between a sweatshirt or a t-shirt. And dang, I didn't even know that I had that on there. But okay. And that's what I want them to do. Now, don't pay no attention to this product, to this price right here, because this product ain't even active. So you can't go on there and buy it. Okay. We got to update that. And so we're just going to jump in over here in Corel, because I have been uploading stuff into my program so that I can finally work fast and efficiently. Right? Finally, or at least I hope so. So what I'm going to do is, let me just go ahead and move this over here. I can't see you guys as of yet, so we'll organize all of this stuff how I need it to be for this video purposes. Okay. If you're new to my videos, I work in Corel Draw, and I have worked in Corel since its existence. Okay. It is a vector-based program that I use for color separating my artwork and things like that, for designing, for screen printing, but you can also use it for all sorts of things. And they have this really neat feature over in here called the Connect. content. And what it does is it connects things so that you don't have to go and look for files and stuff like that. So this will make my website really, really, will make things, my workflow easier, right? I don't know, y'all. Tell me in the comments, y'all struggling with websites or no, because it can be a challenge. It can definitely be a challenge to get these things done, especially with all these companies switching. You learn one thing and then they have an update. So they had an update on me. I'm trying to get somewhere to sit my phone over here because I got y'all over here and I can see y'all here if I sit it there. But I need to also go in and flip y'all this way. I'll put it there. Okay. Now I can kind of look at y'all and see the comments as I am working. So what I need to do is pull up the colors that I had, which was white, black, charcoal, white, black, charcoal, dark chocolate, dark heather. So I need to just pull out those different folders. So let me go ahead and get started in doing that. So we already got a white one there. We're not even gonna, well, we'll go ahead and let's see. So this particular folder here, which is going to be my first time using it, I downloaded this one from over on Creative Fabrica. I think this one has about 260 mock-ups in it, y'all. It has Valentine's Day, it has Christmas, it has everything. So just kind of going in and gonna be looking at these images. And you know what, you can go here and you can actually open up the folder location by just clicking like this. And then if I want to view it big, I could just view it really big and see the images that way too. Which for me, for this particular instance, might work a little bit better and a little bit faster for me. Oh, y'all can't see that. Oh, yeah, y'all can. Okay, so let's see here. We've got sports gray. And the reason what happened, there we go with the madness. I need that sports gray to fall up in there. I tell y'all, anytime we can get some perfect stuff going on, and when you get on the computer, then you have problems. So the purpose of me pulling up this particular one is because over here, right here, I can't see the colors, and when I click on it, I can see the colors here. So I got my dark heather, and I want to pull them on here in the order that I'm going to be using them. So we're going to have, oh crap, and then double clicked it. I need to turn that off. That's something else that I need to do now that I got time, because it will open up another program. So I got my white, it's black on there, because I want these in order of what I'm going to do. So instead of me doing individual mock-ups, because it's Christmas time, and these designs are going to be down off the website, honey, so fast it'll make your head spin. So we got black, charcoal, dark chocolate. Let's look for our charcoal and dark chocolate. And I will use this red because I know I got a red. And I know I got sand too. So I know I got sand. But I'm looking for my dark chocolate and my dark heather. Go through. Da, 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 da. I don't know what color that is. I would take him. So I suspect that mainly women will buy this shirt, but we could put it on a man's shirt too. So as you see, this particular one has different. I know there had to be a, I know I saw those colors, which was the, what am I missing? I've got my sports gray. I've got my sand. I've got my red. I need a military green, a forest, a dark heather, a chocolate. Let's see here. And this one, we'll use this one for our forest. And hey, y'all, if I don't find a color, then guess what? I'm just going to say don't worry about it. Dark heather, that's the dark heather. I may not find the chocolate. That might be the one that I don't find in here. Looks like the chocolate. So let's close that out. That will be the one that'll come off the list. All right. It's kind of difficult sometimes, y'all. As we're doing this, I'm gonna kind of talk to y'all. It's that time of the season, and really just the whole economy right now. It has you like second guessing everything that's going on, because it's so much going on that it can be stressful at times. Look like we're going to have 6 colors. Look like we are going to have white, chocolate, our heather, our forest, red. Looks like these gonna be our 6 colors. Look like we're gonna have 6 colors. This design gonna be available in 6 colors. Oh well, that will work. So what I want to do is I want to put them in grids, as a grid, and I want them to be about the same length and whatnot, so that when I put this, and if you want to be meticulous about it, you could just go over here and, you know, start lining everything up like so. So now you got those 2 lined up perfect, and we can say group. Hit Control G. This is supposed to be a quick video. So yeah, you know, it's that time of the year. I was talking to my brother, and he was saying that since the election for his business, he was like, sis, everything is going great and this is that other. And I said, well, it ain't going great for me, you know. And a lot of times people that, you know, because we sell cotton, right? We sell cotton, y'all. That one looks, I think I did that one. Okay. So it's not just the best time of the year. So during this time of the year, this is when your website really fucking matters. Really fucking matters that you have your website together. The things that I'm doing today, I should see a quick boost in traffic after I get this stuff done. I should see a really, really quick boost in website traffic once I get this stuff done. And not just in traffic, but because I have a lot of traffic over on my site, but in conversions. So just a little, let's just kind of go through and just kind of talk about websites a little bit and how things work for those of you guys who don't know, as far as like your conversions and knowing what's going on. You look at your website traffic and you see how many like throughout the month, how many views you're getting and where are the views coming from on your website. That's what I do. I look at the views, where they coming from, how many of them I'm getting, that type of stuff, right? And then from there, I kind of can monitor what it is that I need to do with the site. So lately I'm noticing, okay, there are a lot of people going over onto the website. However, not a lot of buyers, right? Not a lot of buyers. And you wonder, you go in and you say, okay, let me look at the keywords. You can go into the back of your website and look and see, okay, what search terms are people searching for when they go to your website? So if you notice that a lot of people are searching for a particular thing, they're searching for holiday shirts, they're searching for mugs, they're searching for tumblers or whatever, right? It could be whatever it is, right? That you notice that they're searching for a particular thing on your website. So then that's how you know now, as the business owner, what types of things that you might need to be doing to market your business a little bit better. Oh, we missing black. That's supposed to be black. We're going to still type black. And then we need to go to our charcoal or our dark heather. So as I'm looking at my website, I'm like, it's a lot of people that are going onto the site and they are searching for things over on the site, and they're not seeing what they're searching for. Like a lot of people now are searching for single shirts and gift items. So thus it's slow. Duh, why not just run and go and put some stuff up on the website so that you can cater to those people and grab a few of those deals also, and then take those people into, so that's black. We'll just put black. We got black already. Black there, and then we got we'll put the charcoal, or yeah, this is gonna be charcoal. So it's a great way to kind of see like what people are searching for on your site and what types of searches people are looking at right now, right? In business. So we're going to make this white and we're going to make it bold, and we want to make sure that they can see it. Nothing fancy, just making it, big enough for people to see what it is. Because instead of us doing 4 at one time, doing each individual, putting up individual pictures, I'm just going to put up this one picture and it's just going to be a color chart, right? So and then I can save this and then go in and swap stuff out. So what other colors we got there? That is sand. That does not look forest to me, but I do try to find images that look like the shirts that you are selling. Red. Okay. Okay, so now there's one more thing that I do want to add on that. I do want to go in and I want to find that Santa file. So as I go in here, I can look through here and see if I got that Santa. I don't know what I would have saved it under. AI Christmas collection art. Okay, Santa, are we good? Okay, it should say you ain't getting shit. Let's see here. I'm not perfect. Come on, don't you take your time and start acting a fool. Okay. You can search through all, but I'm almost positively sure that I put this in here. And if it's not in here, then I'm going to click this and go in here and look. So you see how this kind of simplifies what I have going on. You ain't getting S. There it is. So it was in a folder, and I was pretty sure that I extracted it. Well, leave it to me to maybe not have. I need that PNG, y'all. Okay. I'm not perfect. I must have put it in the wrong folder or something. So let me just pop over here to Creative Fabrica and grab it real quick. Let's pop over here and see if we can grab it real quick and then bring it back over there and do what we need to do. Because I know that I had it. Let's see here. There's one, there's one. This is the one. I like that vintage. Ooh, now that I see that one, I actually like this vintage look a little bit better than I actually like this one. I like this one better. I like that one too, but we'll just go ahead and go with this one. And just download it. And let's open it up in the downloads folder. There it is. Okay, so let's just extract it. And then once it extracts, we're just going to take it. Oh, it's a DST file right there. Let's just take these two and drop it into that folder. And hopefully it is in there, but since, oh, shoots. It should be here in the folder now. And here's the image. Okay. It was a SVG and so I might need that SVG file, y'all. I might need the SVG file. I probably do. Let me go back in and open that file up. Because now in here, the SVG files will not open over there. So, yep, it's a true SVG file too. Good to know. Good to know. Good to know. Good to know. Because all I'm going to do is go here and pop this over here on these shirts that I need. And this will be the true mock-up of what it's going to look like. Now what I want you guys to do is kind of in your mind as you're watching this video, kind of think about the amount of time that it's taken me to go in and create the product, because you got to think about that. Right? We're going to take his white and probably turn him to, we're definitely going to have to go in and convert some stuff. Let's see if we can just use the replace on this one. Sometimes on some images you can, and on some images you can't. We can't on that. So what we're going to have to do is go find and replace. And then here in find and replace, we are going to replace the object, and we actually looking for a color. And I don't know why this open, because I don't like to do my find and replace like that. Oh, did y'all then change something up over here on me? Sure have. Corel, y'all sure have. Y'all took the find object off. Let me see here. So I tell you what I'm gonna do. I got something for you too. So you took that off. Let me see. Huh. So looks like they have switched up some stuff. So find and replace the color model. So I just want to find and replace the color, and right here I want to find this color right here, and I want to replace it with white. And let's hit, if it's got outlines or anything like that, we'll do that too. We'll hit find all, and we'll hit replace all. Okay, Corel, come on. All right, this computer is going, don't you do me wrong, because I'm ready to replace you. Times when you online, I tell y'all, when you online and you're doing stuff, and the thing is going, it done replace all of my snowmans in my job on all of my pictures. On all of my pictures, y'all. But that's okay. That's okay. I guess it thought that, okay, you want to replace. So it's replacing any color that it find on this page. I'm going to replace it with white. I went in there and hit find all in the document, and I should have just hit just replace and not replace all, because I have totally replaced all of it, everything with the white. Look like shoes. Look like I might need the white Santa on everybody. Let's see. On that gray, we could put black. Now, as I'm creating stuff like this, I'm thinking about, okay, how you gonna print this, right? So this particular job right here could be a 2-color screen print job. I could just make a screen for it. If I start seeing that, hey, I'm getting a lot of people that's ordering this, then I would just turn around and just make a screen for it. Let's see. That's not going to look good, so we're going to leave that one white. And then we know we was going to leave that one white. And then on this red, we will have a choice. Let's see. So I can make a screen for these since it's 2 colors, or I can just turn around and say, okay, let me just do it as a, I might like this one in the black, right? We might change that lettering right there, that red lettering. I might end up changing that. I might end up changing that to another color. Let's see. I think this red with the black will go fine. Let's go ahead and let's change everything that's red in here, change it to white using find and replace. So let's change that red and replace it with white. So I had a couple of orders come through. Don't you oh no, don't you do it. Don't you do it. It wants to, all I want to do is this one, y'all. And it wants to, I tell you what, we're going to take this and copy this and put this over here and paste this over here. And then we're going to replace it because, baby, it wants to do the fool on me. So I want to replace that with my, is this that is a solid image too. So we're going to replace the red. There we go. Oh, let's find out. There we go. It's saying no object found. Find out. No object found. Hold on. Okay. Is this one the view? View. So if it is, that's why. That is a PNG. This one, Control C, Control V. No, Control V. So if you are using, okay, so replace red to white. No, we're going to replace white to black first. White, and white will be replaced with black, because if we replace it with red, we're going to have a problem. Okay. Okay, so here we go. So now we want to replace the red. This tool is called the Find and Replace Objects. You can use what's called Replace Color on a photo. So if this was an actual photo, we would use the other tool. Okay. So Control C, and then Control V. Paste it. It should be pasted somewhere around here. Let's go here and let's find it. Should be over here somewhere. Where? I don't know. Control paste. There it is. There we go. So now we have it. And it's crazy because had we not did this and actually did the mock-ups, I would have different things going on around here that you would not know about until you got ready to go to print. You know what? I do like that. I feel like maybe I should make him solid. I feel like maybe I should. But this is one Christmas gift, and a lot of times we get stuck up. We get caught up on this stuff. And if you get too caught up, baby, it'll come and pass you by. So we're not going to get caught up. The key is to keep it moving. When you are creating stuff, is keep it moving, keep it moving, keep it moving, boo. Let's go here and hit undo, because that right there we go. Okay, we good. So this is going to be our sweatshirt colors right here. We're going to take this and we're going to hit Control G. And we're going to group it, and this is going to be what we are going to put up. Let's go in, let's export this here. Let's just export it on the desktop as a regular old JPEG is good enough. Need to be nothing fancy. We'll call this you ain't getting colors. Okay, that's what we're gonna call it on desktop D. And boom, 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 we should have it. Should be good enough to put up on the website for what we was doing. And let's see here. I don't know how many. I guess that's the only one. So let's go here to the products, because obviously. So yeah, just by adding these few products, y'all, should get me back in the eyes of people and what they got going on. And then I also did doing a few other things, but this puts, so when people are looking for Christmas shirts, you're coming up too, right? Because they could want Christmas shirts in bulk. You're just putting up a few things up on the website to get folks there. It doesn't have to be a whole lot of stuff to get them over onto the website. Where is the file? Let's pull up the desktop, pull in this file, drag it and drop it, and hope that it's not too big. Cross my fingers. Okay, boom, there we go, right there. It may have cut it off. Let me see, because if it did, I'm gonna have to resize it or drag them images in there one at a time, which is not what I was trying to do, y'all. Not what I was trying to do. There we go. Whoa, that's dark. Whoa, that's dark. Oh, that's too dark. Okay, let's go over here and look and see what happened when we saved this. Let's go cancel here, and let's save this for the web. Export for the web, because we need our pictures to look just like we want it to look. We need the original right here, and because we ain't trying to get this to change too much, we could go PNG. We don't need that transparency check. Let's see what that does. And that's titled Untitled PNG. Let's see here. Oh, baby. Don't need all those problems. Did y'all see AI Ken over there popping up working? I see him over there popping up and things and going on. Let's see. Where is my untitled PNG? Let's see. Did I click to save it? Yeah, it should have been saved by now. Let's see, where did it go? Export. That's going to the desktop file. Export for web. See, where is it saving it? It's saving it in the downloads. Saved it over there in the downloads. Let's go to the downloads. And there it is in the downloads. Hopefully it's not as dark. If it is, then that means that there's something going on with that color profile, with the way that it's coming into Corel, and I need to fix it. Oh, I can see a big difference. Y'all see that? That's a big difference. A big difference. Let's take that one off. And let's update. And I'm done with this one. So the only thing I need to do now is set the prices on here. I could put a t-shirt on here, but you know what? I don't even think I'm going to do it with a t-shirt. I'm just going to show it like this here. And if they want the shirt, the t-shirt is in that same color. Maybe I'll go back and do it. Maybe I won't. What did I put on the front page of that website for the cost of this particular shirt? I don't know. I just throw prices up there, y'all. We don't even have the cost of it there, which is fine. So we're gonna make all t-shirts $22.97. That's what we're gonna do. Do we want them to be $22.97? Let's see what, because let's see what shirts, what they are selling for over here. Let's go Christmas sweatshirt. Just kind of see, because you got to be competitive, right? Popular right now, 23, 34, 21, $8. Oh, they cheap. We gonna go $23, $22.97. That's our price. That is our price. And variations. We are going to go any t-shirt color. That's fine. Any size. We need to do some variations here because okay. So what we're going to do is go in here and say, so where did I do the variation on the sweatshirt? So sweatshirts, we need to change some stuff. So the first thing we're going to do a bulk action. And the bulk action will be the price of the shirt, which will set the regular price. The regular price will be $22.98. That's going to be the regular price. Okay. Now, so we have the $22.98. Okay, now if you wanted to, where you have the sweatshirts, because if you had the color, you could go in and change that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go ahead and on 2X, we need to do it, we need to do a variation for, so this is any size. Then here on 2X, and then we need to do a variation on any size 3X, because you want to increase those prices. And then let's do a variation on 2X and 3X. T-shirts too, which is anything that is 2X or 3X needs a price increase. Okay. So t-shirts are going to be $18.99, and they are going to go into, they're going to be $18.99. They're going to be 21. $18.99, $21.99, $21.99. That is going to be our cost for those. $21.99, $21.98, because I think we had everything at 98. So we'll try to keep it consistent. I'm a 99 girl, so. Okay, and then on sweatshirts, so the sweatshirts are $22.98, so they're going to be $25.98. Okay. And $25.98. Now, if we wanted to, we could switch out and we could change out, make this change out the pictures. But like I said, this is a pretty much like a one and done, like literally like in 2 months, this product is going to be gone. So it's no need of me spending a whole lot of time with it. We're going to just copy this link, and then we're going to go back over to the main page on the website. And then we want to edit here, and then that will be done. So once that's done, I'm just going to use the next page as to just duplicate the product, change the name, and do the same thing. So here, the you ain't getting shit done. Click this, and that thing that I did there, that will be that. And then let's hit publish. And now I should have this when I go outside and look at the regular website here. Let's refresh it. There's AI Ken over there saying, hey, can I help you? How you doing over there? What you need? What's up? Let's click on that. We got our shirt right there. We got our shirt option. We need to make sure that everything is working. It's in black. Uh-oh. There's the problem. We only got 2X in this right here. So I need to go back and see what did I do, because only thing showing up is the 2X's and the whoop. My other variations are not showing up. Why? Any size shirt, any color. Any size shirt, any color. This should be showing up. Okay, let's generate all the other variations, which is going to be a hot mess, because now it's probably going to make me go in and put in the prices for it. Shit. It already has no default color, no default size. So bulk actions. Oh, so the regular price is, what did I say? 22. Hopefully that does not override the prices that I have in here already that I just put in. Let's see. It did. It did. I tried to avoid that, y'all. And it overrode this price. It sure did. So now I gotta go in. I don't know. It'd be easier for me just to go in and fix it like this. That's a sweatshirt. Sweatshirts are fine. Only thing that we need is 2X's. 25.98. Oh, that should not have done that. And like I said, you can go in and add a picture so that it, when you're working on your website, it will update the picture and make the picture hit the price when the picture and the size or the color. You can do all of that if you want to, but I'm not gonna do that because it don't make sense. Because like I said, this is not a product. I spend your time on products that really matter, right? On products that matter, that let's go over here to the second page variation. It did not take me. I need to see what's on the second page. Sweatshirt, small. So here, I never really do this type of variation. I normally only just do them manually so that I don't have to do any of this. 2X 25.98. And you can, if you have a bunch of products, you can just do a bulk upload into the program. And maybe I'll do something like that tomorrow just to show how to do that. But this ain't that many for me to do, so and 25.98. I got a feeling that we're gonna have something that's gonna be missing, and if so, I'll go back and fix that another time. Oh honey, somebody burning up something in the house. Let's see. Oh, this man. Oh, I was gonna say, you don't never burn nothing. Oh, you just updating everything, fixing everything?
Yeah.
Okay. I was about to say, Ken don't never burn up nothing, honey, around here. Oh, y'all, these bones is stiff today. Stiff, 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 stiff. Oh, stiff, 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 stiff today, y'all. Stiff. Let's go in and update this and view this and see what we got going on with this shirt. Okay, let's see what's going on. So let's go in here and view this product and see what's going on with it. We got our white shirt, we got extra small. See, we still missing some, you know, that's right, extra small. We got small. Let's go here and jump into 2X. 2X changes to 25. 3X changes. We are good with that. Let's switch that to a t-shirt. Prices change. We are good with this right here. Okay, we're good with that right there, and that is it. And they can just jump right there and say, oh, okay, boom, da, boom, boom, boom. We'll probably go in here and add something. I'll probably go in here and add the title, and then add let's add some tags. Christmas sweater. And as a matter of fact, let's just go over here to ChatGPT and tell it to give us some popular Christmas tags. Give me popular Christmas tags for Christmas sweatshirts and Christmas t-shirts. Okay. I need those to be separated by a comma and not in bullet points. I said separated by a comma and not in bullet points. Oh, no. Okay. Remove the hashtags. I only want the tags for my WordPress website, and I do want to come up in the city of Dallas, Texas under custom Christmas sweaters and custom Christmas sweatshirts, custom Christmas t-shirts, holiday t-shirts, holiday sweatshirts, holiday gifts, and you finish it out for me, and then just separate all of the tags that you give me by a comma, but do not give me a hashtag. Okay? Don't give me no hashtags and things, y'all. That's not what we're looking for. This is what we want right here. Some copy and paste stuff. Because we trying to get our website popping. Okay? Now, we're going to go here and we're going to just go here and paste, and hopefully this will add all of our tags. Boom, chilaka boom. Okay, now let's take this off. Let's take off, we'll leave custom tees, personalized tees, t-shirts, sweaters. We'll leave all of that right there, and we are optimized and we are ready to go. So for those of you guys who are on the video, that was your plug today. That was your gem. Okay, I know a lot of y'all don't know, but that was your gem. Okay, so now since we are in here and we are doing all of this here, okay, let's go back to edit our product again, and we got all of our tags on here, and we got boom boom boom. I actually want this title to show, and it's not showing right now, so it tells me that it's something in, let's go in and create a holiday category. Let's change that and let's create a category, holiday merch is what we're gonna call it, and that will be our category for this. And then under holiday merch, let's see here, do we want to do, we'll do t-shirts and sweats. We want it to come up in those two categories. And now we are going to optimize the title of this. Okay, so copy. Okay, let's okay, and the title is paste, and we're going to say shit. We're going to go ahead and say the shit. Okay, and then we'll let it fix it for us on what it wants us to be doing. Okay, this is how we do this. You guys see that? Okay, see how it says this includes keywords that can help you guys over in your search. This is how we get products to come up. Okay, now okay, now we are going to edit this here tag, cancel that. I'm gonna go in here, edit this tag, and take that off, and click OK, and let this update and update our whole tag so that those words are in your tag. If you with me in the comments, let me know, because this is the part right here where everybody jumps off and they end up missing all of the gems. Okay, where they miss the gems. These are the things that you want. Okay, so then, because it doesn't do you any good to put up a product to not have a good description. Okay, so this is the part right here that a lot of people miss out on the video. It's where they jump off. Notice we had a lot of people in, and then they jump off because they think they got the gems. But you guys are gonna get all of the gems, right? Y'all are gonna get all of the gems. Okay, so here we go. Because you got to get the gems. This is the gems. Okay? These are the gems that you want because your website ain't popping and you need it to pop. So we want, and I want y'all website to pop, right? I want it to pop. Okay, so give me a short description for the WordPress site also. Always make sure that when you are coding and when you're chatting that you are doing it for whatever platform you're on. So let's say, for example, that your site is Shopify, right? Then you want to make sure that you tell it for your Shopify site, because That way it will give you things that work with your site. Okay, or whatever type of site it is that you have. So now this should be optimized for Google search, y'all, and ready to go. Okay, now we can go in here and we will go in and we'll view the product one more time. And so now that we have that first product, we pretty much know that anything that's going to have this same stuff, t-shirt and size, all we have to do is we can use this product to duplicate this product to create our other products that are on the page, which will make things go a lot faster. Okay, so I'm going to go here and, oh, did I connect it? I believe I did. I did connect that, didn't I? Did I connect it? Because you got to make sure that it's connected. So it's connected. That one's ready to go. And then now we are to our next product, which is our hot mess, shirt. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go here and I'm going to make a duplicate of that You Ain't Getting Shit shirt. Okay, and then when I make that duplicate, now things are going to start moving a lot faster for us. Let's go ahead and go to the products. And then on whatever website you're working on, right, then that's where you want to go in. Now here, because I got so many tags, when I add a lot of tags, y'all, if you're working in WordPress, then go up here and go in here and unhook your tags, right? Unhook your tags so that your title is not so long. Leave this SEO, because what we're going to do is we're going to go through here. Right now it's telling me my my focus key phrase is not set, and so that has to also do with our SEO. So we're actually going to go in there and catch all of that stuff. So if you have a key phrase, you can click it here so that it will show you your key phrase. But I don't really need these categories, and I like to have featured. I don't really care much for date and SEO score, which has not came up yet, but it will come up and start to let you know what's going on as time goes on through here, right? So this is normally like pretty much almost the same as this, but notice that where we have holiday apparel, it has our custom t-shirts and affordable prices added to it, because that's my site's tagline. So your SEO title, the only thing it does is just add that, so you can have that unchecked. And so now it just makes it a little easier when you're going through and, you know, going in here and looking at stuff and dealing with stuff. So what we're going to do is, whatever program that you're working in, I'm going to go here and I'm going to make a duplicate of the same exact product. It'll make it a lot easier for us. We know it's the same price and things like that. So we're just going to duplicate the product. And then now we have our duplicate product. And I'm going to close this out over here. And I always like to have an extra tab up so I can see the name of the product that I'm working on, because y'all know, hey, I'm a little bit on the slow side. Okay, so here what we can do is we can say, okay, so let's go ahead and get a title, a description, okay, I have another product, and this one is called Santa's Favorite Hot Mess. It is printed on a sweatshirt, and it just has the word Santa Hot Mess with a little Santa logo design on it. I need a product description, a product title, a short product description, and I need tags that are SEO optimized for me to come up on the first page of Google in the city of Dallas, Texas. And let's say in and around the city of Dallas, Texas. So all 3 or 4 of those things, give me each one step by step. Okay. Okay. Here's my product description. So we kind of speeded it up that time, right? Kind of speeded it up that time. So here's my, okay, so I don't have, see the title. Okay, so let's say, okay, I don't see the title. What is the title? And y'all, you don't have to go with what ChatGPT tells you, right? Hey T. Lamont, how are you? How are you? I just looked down at the thing, y'all. If you have Google Analytics, you should be able to see your most custom things that people are searching for. Also, if you have Yoast, you can see it. I'm not going to show mine because, you know, it would be like cutting out my nose to spite my face. But T. Lamont, that file is right over there in Canva waiting on you to snatch it up and put it up on your website, or to print it up and wear it and get you some customers. It's sitting there waiting on you. Sure is. Okay, y'all. So we are going to go in, and now we are on some copy and paste stuff. I don't know what happened to my title. I have been having problems with ChatGPT lately. Here we go. Not even ChatGPT. I actually think it's my website, y'all. Okay. Now remember when I said we're going to do edit, we're going to remember to take that last thing off that you did, okay? Hit OK, because that will go back in there to the end. You need that. You definitely need that, okay? You need that. So we're going to go ahead and we deleted this, the product description. I'm just going to grab, all I do is just grab and copy. And y'all know, so I pretty much trust, I trust my ChatGPT because I've been working with it for a while. And it pretty much, it knows me. When I say it knows me, it totally knows me. And it normally gives me, if it doesn't give me the exact thing that I need, it's giving me something that's workable. And that's all I need. So, it will keep it kind of vague as far as the designs. If you want something, then you can, go in and see how it says get cozy and festive with our Santa's favorite hot mess sweatshirt. It doesn't tell you what's on the shirt. It just says, hey, this is a fun, stylish design. So you don't have to upload the image. If you want to actually get the description, right, you could go in and say, hey, it has this or it has that, but you ain't got to do all that. Don't do too much, right? Don't do too much. Don't try to do too much, honey. Don't try to do too much. Okay, so we have updated the title, we've updated the permalink, we've updated the product description, we have not set a price. I think we already have the price in here, yeah, because it's a variable product. So if the colors of the shirts don't change, we good. We're gonna be good. We have updated this down here, and then we have, let's see here, it did not give us a tags. Let's go in And the tags can basically stay the same because it's the same stuff. So you ain't even got to go back in and redo anything with the tags because you're good to go right here. Okay. You are good to go. If you want to add a product header or something like that, you could. Only thing we need to do now is remove this image and pop in a new one. And let's say here, product gallery, I'm sorry, to the product images. Let's go in here and get our You Ain't Shit. Pop it in there. Wait a minute. We not doing the You Ain't Shit. Y'all got me confused. We doing the hot mess. Hot mess is what we doing. We doing the hot mess. Okay? We not supposed to be doing that. We doing the hot mess. Okay. So where is the hot mess? There's our hot mess. Let's go in and publish it. We got to take this out. Let's go in and take a quick look at what we got. See how fast our second product was? We rolling now, boo. Oh, we rolling now. We still got all the same. Y'all don't forget, I got to go back in. I do need to go in and take out those colors. Right, but we good. We are good to go. At some point, I am going to hide this. And then right here, I'm going to do something about that too. And we're going to make that say from $18. And we're going to go in here to our price labels. And we are going to say, instead of price before, after, da 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 da, we are going to go in and change one of these. Hide price on, hide da da da. Instead of price before price, enable from and then I'm not really sure about how to work this one. I will have to go back in, y'all, and pull it up over on another product. That's how I normally do, is I'll go and I'll pull it up on another product so that I can see, and then I just copy it because that's a new plugin. So right here it says from this, so I want to take that off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the one color print deal. And right here it says starting at, and I'm going to go here and I'm going to see what I got checked over there. Okay, so it should be, so it's this one right here, instead of price, starting at. Okay. Okay, so now I know what to do. Okay, so right here, I'm going to go here and it's $18.98. And then here we're going to say, let's enable that. Let's enable this. And let's do our starting at $18.98. And hide that ugly. Because sometimes you have all that stuff is be ugly, y'all. Ugly. Have your website looking ugly. Okay. Da-da-da-da-do, da-da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-do, da-da-da-da-da. Now, I still have to go in. After a couple of days, this will go on and do its SEO itself. See how it's saying not available? It'll go ahead and SEO itself. We've already put the stuff in here for it. And so all we got to do is boom. There we go. And I will go in. Like I said, when I go in at the very end, I go in and I kind of hide those tags at the very end. And so now we've got that product. Only thing we need to do is switch out these colors. And we can do that over in Corel. Let's just go in here and take off. Go here and go ungroup all. Take that off. That off. Oh, you want to play games. Okay, and so then we're going to go into our connect, and which one we on? We on the hot mess. We are on the hot mess. We are on our little hot mess stuff. Let's just open this up like this. It should have opened up somewhere around here. There it is. There's our hot mess PNG. Let's close it. And then let's take this picture right here and let's make it like 2 inches. And let's lock it, cause let's lock it first. Now let's make it 2 inches. Okay. And then let's just pop it on there. So ain't this fun? Quick and easy. Quick and easy way to... Now it took us a while to set up our first product, but after you set up that first product, y'all rolling. Y'all rolling. We rolling now. This is how they do it. And then you keep this same little thingamajig that you are creating. You just keep this this template right here for all of your next times and things to use it. And you just use it over and over again. Now, I would probably go in here and switch out this Santa's Favorite Hot Mess right there. And make that be another color. But then maybe not, because this is the thing, if you're doing it in, if you are, let's see, how do we want to say it? So if you are, because it will show, if you are doing DTF transfers, right, then you might want to just do like one DTF transfer in one color. And so if you find that, hey, I got a color that's not really showing up, then you could say, okay, let me not do it in that color, right? Let me not even offer it in that color, because I want to offer it in colors that it's going to look good on. Right? And you can always, you know, you could go in, you could change the colors or whatever. If I wanted to see there, that's a good color. That's okay. You can see it, but you know, it is what it is. And so we're just gonna take that and export it for the way up. And like I said, if I was doing this, if this was like something that people are gonna be, that I'm gonna be selling all the time, then maybe it would be worth it to me to go in there and do and kind of, you know, update that and play around with it. But like I said, this is for Christmas. We need to be in and out, pushing these products in and out. The thing is to get as many products up there as you can. Let's say if you do 4 or 5 products in one day, you're good. Like now that I got this template, I can just knock this stuff out the box. Just knock it out. Just boom, 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 right? And you could, you know, ideally you want to start planning in advance of holidays, right? And so let's go here. And so you're pre-planning That's the you ain't getting nothing. It's probably under downloads. Let's see. That's the you ain't getting nothing. That looks like it right there. And we good. We done knocked off stuff, and so we boom, boom, boom. We're gonna have all of these products up, and you'll have something on your website, and your website will be optimized too at the same time as you're doing it. Now, just remember, if you switch up, columns or anything like that, then that's where you would go in and update stuff. Maybe you want to add some custom items or something to it. You would do that. Let me take a look and see what product we are on. So we have those two, and so now if you click on this, it's still not linking, so I got to go and link it. So I gotta go and link it because I ain't done a thing. Gotta link it. So here is our permalink. We're gonna copy this, update, go in and just go to our website, visit the website, and then here on this front page, let's go in, let's edit it in Elementor. And over here in Elementor, we are going to, y'all know it, link this product. Now, one thing that I will tell you is make sure that the products that you are selecting are products that you can actually make. For example, if somebody was to go onto my website right now, that ornament that I have on there, baby, I would be in a world of trouble. That mug that I have on there, I would be in a world of trouble, because guess what? LPB does not have it ready I don't have a way to print it because my sublimation printer ain't fixed. So I'm going to be working on that and fixing it up tonight. All the other designs that are not customizable here, these two right here, I'm going to just copy it. And this one, I'm just going to leave it as on a white shirt. So only thing I'm going to do now is just go over here, and I'm going to do the same thing that I did a while ago, and I'm just going to offer this one on the white shirt. And you can just leave it, just offer it on the shirt that it's on, and not even offer all of those colors where you don't have to go back and do things if you like, because it's about getting the product up. Getting the product up is the most important thing that you can do for yourself, is to get the product up. Once you got the product up, even if you offer it in one color, you can always then go back and start offering it in different colors, y'all. Okay, so here we are going to go back to all products. We don't want to add a new product. We just duplicate. Just duplicate. You already did the work. You already put in the work. So it's no need for you to do the work over again. The most important thing for y'all to take from the video is once you've done it that one time, when I tell you, you can go boom, 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 and you're putting up products. The other thing is, now that we have our format down, we can go and export this product, and then we could put it up in a spreadsheet and upload it all at one time. But this works perfect for me. Okay, so let's see what I have now. I have Christmas Crew, a Christmas Crew shirt. Okay, so Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna tell ChatGPT to give me the title for this. This is gonna be personalized, and so let's go ahead and start deleting stuff here. Okay, so here we go. It's giving me a title. And you can do this in the base version of your ChatGPT. You don't have to do this in the pro version. I'm giving you guys the game, literally giving you the game. Okay. We're going to go here and we are going to, let's say here, let's say, okay. And let's go here, and that says crew 8 sweatshirt. We're going to say sweatshirt because we want that one to say sweatshirt. And then here we'll just go ahead and delete this, and I have my, it actually went ahead and updated it. Copy it, and it actually went ahead and updated this for me, so I will paste that there. And then on my description, okay, update the description for it to be a sweatshirt, and also give me the short description, and give me tags, and also give me the keyword. Okay. Okay. So here we are going to update this. Okay, if you guys have any questions, make sure you drop them in the comments. Oh honey, y'all gonna call me like crazy. I gotta hurry up and get up off of here because baby. Okay, so let's go ahead and drop our product description. Y'all see how easy this is going? It makes doing your websites can be a headache. It can be a headache, I know. Trust me, I know that it can be a headache, headache. We're gonna go here and do the same thing, because okay, that's already there because we did copy and paste. Remember I said once you copy and paste it, everything is already there for you, so all you gotta do now is just switch out the things that you need switched out. Edit, paste. And sometimes you do. So we've got pretty much personalized sweaters. We've got a bunch of tags right here that we can go in here, and we're going to add some more dang on tags here. We're going to add some more tags here. Some more. They might be duplicates or whatever. We're going to add some more tags in here, and then right here we can say choose from the most used tags. I just dropped gems. Y'all don't understand it. Those are gems. We just dropped gems. Gem alert. Gem. Just dropped gems for you guys. Okay, So here we're going to take this off, and over here on the products and attributes in this one, on the shirt colors, I'm not going to offer that in nothing but that. Say what? Yep, that's it. That's all I'm offering it in, is that one thing. That one thing, and I'm going to take off these ring spun everything. We just offering this one in a shirt, and so that's it. That's it. So where we put 1890 whatever, we're gonna go in and we're gonna change that, because that is not gonna update for us. It's gonna be 2298. So here we're just gonna go in and we're just gonna say starting at 2298. Okay. All right, y'all. Boom. That's it. That's it. That's all. This product is ready to go. Ready to go. We need to do one thing. I like to always copy that link, and I like to visit the site and go back to the home page. Some people like to connect their stuff after the fact. I like to connect everything together. I actually design, when I'm on my site, you can actually update your site not live over in Foxzilla or but I like to actually update my site live. I normally don't do it like during the middle of the day. I do it early in the morning when I know nobody's on there. So as I'm doing stuff, it's not just updating, but that's how I like to do my site, is I like to actually update it live so that I can see the updates as I'm going through. I'm gonna go ahead and link the picture also, because a very smart lady told me that she clicks on the pictures. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy my pictures and add my link there. I'm actually kind of doing a test. Y'all, tell me in the comments, when you are on a website, do you automatically click on the picture, or are you looking for the button? Because that's something that inquiring minds would like to know. So as I'm going through here, I'm just doing the same thing to all of these and making these to where the pictures and the buttons both are clickable. Because I'm trying to figure out whether I want to remove buttons from my website. Sometimes it looks really good, and sometimes not so good. So for this, I do like the buttons because it gives that Christmassy look. So I do like the buttons. And down here, I have some stuff where I don't have buttons. So where you have to click on the picture. So it's, it's a matter of what you like. Okay. Okay. So we should be good. Let's exit up out of there. I've got one more shirt to do, y'all. And on this shirt here, I'm going to actually just go ahead and go to my product page. I got one more to do, and then I'm going to be done. And then I need to do the other one, which is the mama. That's going to be a little bit different because it's going to be a lot different with doing it. Let's see here. Wait a minute. Personalized Christmas crew. We did not look at that really good. We did not look at that really good at all. Let's take a look-see at her. Personalized Christmas crew. Oh, we did not do that. We did not edit this picture, so we gotta remove that. Y'all sleeping over there in the comments or what? Y'all sleeping in the comments or what? Okay, so right here we need to add something. We need to add some personalization. Okay, so on this one I am going to add some images. I said I wasn't adding no images, but look like I lied. Think I did this one the other day. Looked like I told y'all something that I wasn't going to add images, but it looks like I am going to add some images there because I want people to know that they can personalize this design. And let's see here, where would it be? It would probably be over in here. So we got Christmas Crew. Where did we personalize it at? We got this one because we actually did this one ourselves. Maybe it is on the desktop. Let me look and see if it's over here on desktop. See all them folders. I got a lot of them, I know. It's a lot of them. Where would I have put that at? Okay. So let me look over here and see where I would have put that at. I probably would have just put it in the, let me see here. Christmas Crew. Here is a Corel Christmas Crew. Christmas Crew zip. Oh, there's another one right there. I know that we didn't already did this. And because we did it last week. Where did we put the images? Let me just see if I can zoom through here and find them, which is not the best thing to do with recording. We got ho-ho-hos. We got all kinds of stuff over here that we can put up. It's in there. It's in that folder. I know it is. Let me see here. I'm not perfect. Da 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 da. I actually have that with a couple of, there we go. There we go. There they are right there. They're right there. So let me drop that down and let me throw these up in here. We can use those. Dang, now I done took off the black hoodie. And it's on a hoodie. But it's okay, because then we'll just offer it on as a hoodie. We're not going to go redo the work. The key is to get it in here and get it done. So we'll offer it on a hoodie, y'all. We will offer it on a hoodie. And while that's being uploaded, I'm going to go and offer these caps. because I am crazy about these caps. I'm gonna offer this as just a general product because everything on here can't be for Christmas. So we need to offer some general products. Let's go in and put that in there too. Was there something else? That is about it. That's all I see now. I do like that ho ho ho, that little Santa's ho. Let's go in. Okay. Ew, we got one that did not respond. Untitled 5. Untitled 5 did not go in there. Let's close it out and let's go back and see. Sometimes things happen like that. If it did not happen for me, it would be okay. Let's go in and update the website. Let's go here. Okay. Nope. Why did I remove the product image? I was not trying to remove the product image, y'all. Because this one is actually a custom product that we're going to have to add a place for them to put a name. And so that's why we are changing out the image, because we got to put that in there. So let's see here. I'll go in and try to do that again. It should be over here, and it was, we'll use that one, we'll use that one, we'll use these two. That should do for us. Hopefully they will upload without a problem. If it doesn't, I'm gonna have to go and save it as lower resolution file. And while that is doing that, well, I don't want to rush it. Something about me that I like to rush everything. Well, we need to be adding some personalization over in here. We do. We need to be adding some personalization. Ooh, okay. So, it does not want to update for some reason. So, I tell y'all what. Let me go in here and hit dismiss errors and see if the other ones will update. And while we're doing that, I'll go ahead and give you guys a tip. Another tip is in the back of your website is to go ahead and make sure that you title that. See how that's titled Untitles 5, right? It's not going to help us come up for anything. So you could add a title, add a caption, add a description, all of that. Okay, all of that. Okay, so while that is going, over there we still have, oh, not that, we don't want to put that up. We still have this over here. We'll let that keep working over there in the background on the back side of the site, and we'll just come back over here to the front side of the site. And then here for this product, let's see, did I connect it? Because I think I connected it. Nope, we didn't. We ain't connected nothing. We ain't connected nothing. We ain't connected nothing, y'all. So let me slow my roll, because we ain't connected nothing. I just gotta sit down and be calm and be patient and wait. Patience is a virtue. And I could literally do this, like, let me go ahead and check the emails and do some other stuff, because I got a client that needs to okay, so Lord, did I tell this guy that this would be $11,000 for his order? Let me fix myself. Hello, I'm sorry, I misquoted that. It's not $11,000. It's approximately $1,100. Sorry. Okay, now let me see here. How many shirts did he want? 250 shirts. So 1,100. Hold on, 1,100 divided by 250 is, let's see, let's do that again. 1,100 divided by 250 pieces. What's going on? 1,100 divided by 250. Oh no. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. That's 50 pieces. 50 pieces, y'all. I was finna say $4 and what? Baby, who quoted somebody $4 a shirt? Who? I done misread his quote wrong. He wanted to spend $250. Okay, so 1,100 divided by 50 pieces. He looking at $22 a shirt, boo. Okay. Okay, boy. Leave it to me to mess up something. Hi, sorry, that was a typo. You're looking at approximately, oh, and it's not kind of going on there. Okay, great. You not typing nothing at all that I need you to be doing. Okay. Okay, so you want to mess up there too. Hey, you're looking at approximately $22 a shirt. The total is approximately $1,100 a shirt, not $11,000. Sorry. Let me know if you want to proceed with the order, and I'll get you an invoice over and get everything added to the print schedule. Look forward to hearing from you. Hey, you're looking at da-da-da-da. Okay. Okay, y'all. Okay. Oh, I got these people saying, baby, we've been trying to get you some money and you ain't responding. You need to get your coins from us, girl. Okay. I'm going to go in there and figure that out sooner or later. Okay. Okay, y'all. So, okay, we still over here having problems with this? Okay, so I tell you what, that I'm going to come back to, but in the midst of it, I still need to go ahead and add the customization option because I will forget. I will definitely forget. So let me take a look at it. And add this customization option to here. Because if I do not, so let's see here. So we want to add a customization option. Personalize it. And we're going to say remove that name, would add your name, and then some kind of way I'll get that other image up that is not working. So I'm going to be over here on the back end of the website, and let's add an option. let's say add a name. Okay, and then we need to create a text area. Let's do a text area, and in this text area, our field option will be okay, there we go. Okay, so is it going to be required? Let's see. No, it's not going to be required. I'm not going to make it required, and go here. Okay, now let's go. Nope. We don't need to go there. We just need to go over here. And no. We need to go where I was, right here. We need to go right here. Sometimes y'all like gets confused. I do. I get confused. This is our add a name, and that is going to go. Okay. That will go right there for them to add their personalized name. So once you build something like that, a form, then you always have it. And now on the next product that you do, when you customize something, you need to add a name, you'll have that option right here to add that name, and it'll always be there. I will probably go in, like I said, and update the colors on this stuff anyways. And so now we have it. Let's go ahead and let's choose the white shirt, and there up. Add the name, which will be Roberson. I want mine to say Roberson Family Crew. We're going to take it all the way to the shopping cart and see what's going on. Here we go. Let's go over there and let's view our beautiful cart and see what is going on. Hello, I was wondering if I could order 2 J American Swap a Pump Kit nap samples, one with black and one with who? J America Swap a Pump Palm Kit hat samples. I'm not sure what that is. I'm not sure what that is. So hi, I'm not really sure what brand that is. I've never heard of it before. Did you find it on our website? Question mark. Okay. I don't know what a swamp a pump is, y'all. Okay. So that's okay. Okay, so I'm going to go back in and do some stuff, because right here where there is no sizes, I only wanted to put in the sizes that it is, right? I only want to put in there. Okay, so here we go. We got our sweatshirts, and we can go in and say we want 2 of those. And then let's say if we want to update it, we can go on in here and do our little calculations and all that stuff. We good to go. Baby, we Gucci. But we still ain't added that product to, hold on, let's go back. Because we still ain't Gucci. We not Gucci. We just think we Gucci. We ain't Gucci for nothing. Let's find holiday, gatherings. This is, ooh, that's a long permalink. Can't be. Can't be the long. That can't be the permalink that long. If that permalink is that long, then I done tripped out. And we need to change some stuff. I don't know who that is, y'all. Somebody's saying they're trying to buy some pom-pom, some kind of pom-pom kits that I have no idea. Okay, so let's edit this and be done. Y'all, so 2 hours and now we rolling. We just about got them all up there. So now when I go back in here, I won't have to. Oh, I did already add those. Let's see here. What's it called? Perfect for Christmas gatherings. I already have those. I already have it on there. I do have it on there. Yep, it's already there. So I don't need to change that. All I need to do is add that one and that one and that one, and I'll be done. And that one is going to be easy. This one, however, is going to be the one with the names, personalized names. Mama Claus is going to be the same, but it will have a couple of different ones. So I may go ahead and tackle it because it don't make no sense to wait. I'll just go in and we won't personalize this one, but we'll do, this one is going to be, that is in a sand or a tan is what that one is in. Let me go ahead and do this one right here because this one's going to be hard to do. And so I need to go ahead and do it. But y'all, thank y'all for watching the video. That's about it. I'm just going to go on and work. And if you have something that you want to say, then say it. I'll go ahead and put my thing down. Go on and get busy with what we got to do. Let's go and exit. If you're new to the channel, we are working on a WordPress site is what we are doing here over here today, and we are just learning how to add products. And we've pretty much already I showed you guys at the beginning of how when you do one product, all you're doing now is just popping in new products. So we're going to go in. I'm going to duplicate this one. Found it on your website. Okay, so let me see. Hold on. Okay, let me look at it. Baby. J America 5 Swamper Pump. Let me look at it and see. Okay, y'all. We got somebody that needs something, so one quick second. And if you are new to the channel, one thing that I have to tell you guys is that, hey, I works for real over here. Okay, so sometimes customers hit me up. They're looking for something, and if they are looking for something, then guess what? That means that I then have to go in and go to work. So we're going to go on and go to work. 5009 J8, because technically it's 5:47 and I still got a couple of minutes before I get off work. So this one is in. Okay, so she wants it in what color? Let's see here. Let me see where it's coming from. If I have to Oh, let's see here. Okay, so it is a pump. See, is it in stock? Is it in stock? Is the question. And where is it shipping from? Okay, it's shipping from Chicago. And okay, one black and one. Okay, so are you wanting to embroider this on this cap? Cause baby, hmm. You definitely, we're not gonna screen print it. So, Cynthia, are you on this video? Okay, so I'm definitely not going to be able to screen print that. So, what are we talking about? Let's see here, guys. Let's see here. Okay. Let's see here. I need to make a phone call. We're definitely not going to. Hey. When it gets to materials like that, y'all, I don't mess around. We could do a patch on that. Let's see here. Okay. I totally missed Stan's comment about pictures for sure. I guess he's saying, I'm not sure.
504.
Okay. Let's see here. Well, she'll hit back in a little bit and then I will. Hey, let me check on that and see how we can print it. My mind is telling me that we could do some type of a patch on it. I definitely would not want to screen print those due to the material being 100% acrylic knit. And I'm not sure what other processes we could do. So let me talk to someone in the back and I'll hit you right back. Cause baby. We is okay. So let's get up out of that and get back to the business that we doing. Okay, so because I got some things that I'm trying to do. Okay, so the Mama Claus. Okay. Okay, let's do a Mama Claus right quick. Okay, I have a Mama Claus sweatshirt design that also has the kids' names, personalized names on the sleeves. I need to do a product description for it. It is a beautiful Mama Claus design with the kids' names on the sleeves as hearts, and it can be on left sleeve or right sleeve. Go ahead and give me a SEO optimized title to come up on the first page of Google in the city of Dallas, Texas, specifically. Okay, let's go in and get our stuff. Let's go. There we go. See, y'all, it is starting to know what it is that I want. Since it went on and gave me the product description, let's go ahead and tell it to give me the tags and all that stuff. Okay, so let's go ahead and get a short description for the WordPress site, and also give me a couple of tags. Okay, so let's just grab all that, and we is good to go. We got our SEO optimized title. You could sit here and literally do this all day. Hey guys, so it is the holiday season. If you have, or your website is a hot mess and you've been trying to get Lady Print Boss all year, right? This is the season right here. This is the season for you to get your website together right here, right now. This will be the season and the time for you guys to get it done. I actually come on and show you guys how I actually do this, because ain't nobody showing y'all. And I think that it's really, really important for y'all to be able to do this. So I don't show you everything, but I show you guys a lot of stuff on how to go in, especially when business is slow. When times are slow and you need to get something popping, okay? Give me those tags, comma separated. I said, give me those tags, comma separated. No, I want you to provide the tags with each tag separated by a comma in a straight line. Jeesh. I tell y'all, ChatGPT is supposed to be getting smarter, and sometimes it seems like it's getting dumber. Okay? When I tell y'all we getting tags and tags and tags, right? So at some point I am going to end up going in there and doing something about that situation, having so many tags, but right now, let's see what we got popping. Okay. So this is, we're going to move. This we are going to remove, and we're going to add our main product image, because you got to have a beautiful product image. So we're going to add the main product image to the page. And then after we add the main product image to the page, we'll add some gallery images. And on this one in particular, it will have a drop down with design 1, design 2, design 3, design 4. Okay, on this one in particular. And so that means that I'm going to have to do some work to this to get it to be exactly what I want it to be. And let me take a quick view of the product. We got our description. We've got our starting price. This one is we're gonna change the starting price on this one, change the price on this one altogether. We have a shitload of tags. We have our description here, and then we haven't even went in and added other things that we might like. So we're gonna cross-reference those other things up there at another time. But here we have our t-shirt colors, so this is going to be changed up, but all of our sizes will be the same except for the ring spun cotton shirts. We'll take those off. So now what we need to do is we got to go and find that Mama Claus stuff that we have there. I have no idea where it is, so let's see if we can get over here and get this to come up. Let's go into our content folder and let's see where Mama Claus is. And if I don't find it, we'll just double click here and see. Mama Claus might still be in a zip folder. That might be one. I knew that one was going to be one of the ones that was going to be a little harder to work on. And I am going to put up that reindeer design. So Mama Claus, let's see. It's probably, like I said, in a zip folder. It is. It is. So we actually have some images here though that we can put up. So let's go ahead and put up the images that we do have. Let's go ahead and put those up. And that's how I like to do it. And then from there, we can work our gelling. Okay. So I've got the images over to the side, and I'm just going to grab them and just kind of like pull them in the hopes that, unlike these things, that they actually come on in, go in here. And if they don't upload for me, then I will. So here, 107489. Nope, that's the same one. That's another one. That's another one. That's another one. Looks like this has like 3 or 4 different variations, which is fine. Maybe 5. So 1, 2, 3. Do we have? Okay, so we have that one at the. We got that one. Okay, we got that one. Let's go here. We got that one. We are missing. Looks like. Is that a whole nother one? I'm not sure, y'all. But whatever it is. That's the same thing, right? No, it's not. We just got them all checked and we're just going to add them all to the gallery. Okay. So because this one has a little bit more personalization with it, we got to update the price. Okay. Okay. Nice and easy. So, okay. That's how you can get products. Really simple, easy. Go over there to Creative Fabrica, get you some products that are already ready and done, that already have the logos and things like that. And so now all we have to do is this. Okay, so we want an option. We want to add an option here, which is going to be design 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I know that over here, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go in here and click edit. And I'm going to do some options. We need to make this a variable product. It already is a variable product, but we're going to add another attribute here. And over in here, we're going to say design style. Okay. Very, very important. Very, very important. I don't know why. Okay. So design style. Our design style is going to be design 1. Design 1. Design 2. Design 3. I just keep the name simple. Design. Now, if I was getting a shitload of these, then I would go in and I would go into that file folder and put design 1, 2, 3, 4. When this comes over to you, let's say if you get an order for, you happen to get an order, because a lot of times this is where people get confused, then you would want to look at the order form and see that image on there, right? Because we're going to have the image is actually going to be on the order form so that you know exactly what the client ordered. Otherwise, you're going to be messed up. Okay, so we got all of our different designs. We're going to save that. Okay. Now, what we need to do is we need to add a variation. And down here, we're going to go ahead and remove. Let's go ahead and remove all of the variations. Okay. And then just add in new variations, because it's going to be so much easier for me to remove all the variations on here like that. The reason I'm doing that is because I don't need to have all of those different variations for this product. Okay, let's let it work its magic. Tell me in the comments, are you working on your website? What's going on? What is going on? Yes, go ahead and get that. Go ahead and get it open. Go ahead and get it open, and let's get to work. Let's get to work, y'all. Let's get to work. Okay. The images that I have pulled up are over on Creative Fabrica. So you go and pull your images off of Creative Fabrica. Go along with this video. Whatever Shopify, WordPress, whatever you're using. I'm using WordPress. You guys use whatever you have available to use. Okay? That's at your disposal. If you are following me and you're trying to learn how to work on your website or build your website, then I do work exclusively in WordPress. So just to help let you guys know. Okay, so we are going to generate these manually. So any size shirt, any color, any design is going to have, we're not going to change and make a picture for that. We're not going to make a picture for that because that would be a bulk picture. But what we're going to do is we're going to label this, and let's make this shirt $25.98. That just sounds good. $28.98. That sounds good. $28.98. And it's in stock. We're not going to put a shipping class or a description or anything right here on this one. Okay, so any size, any style. Let's go in. Let's add another one. And this one will be any shirt in a 2X, with any design on it. If that was $28.98, then this is going to be $31.98. $31.98. Okay. And then any shirt, any style, any design, we're going to make this one at another manual. We only going to offer this design in sweatshirts. Okay, so we're actually going to remove those t-shirts that are on there on the other one. So don't worry about that. So any shirt, any design, any size, any t-shirt, size in 3X. And in 3X, it's going to be 3X. Where is the price? 3X, what do we say? $31.98. Okay. Now, we have 3 different things that we have. Now, the only thing that we're going to do next is we're going to add in a variation for each design. So we're going to manually add for each design. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what we're going to do here, we're going to do design 1, select design 2, select design 3, select design 4, select design 5. Now this is where you're going to change the pictures because you want the pictures to change. So design 1 will go here and we'll say this is design 1. Okay. And design 1 is also $28.98. Still the same price. They can add their logo, add the kids' names. We don't care how many kids' names they add. We don't care. Okay, so design 2, $28.98. Now, sometimes it gets tricky in here. Because we're trying to show pictures. And let's make that one be design 2. Okay. So sometimes it gets tricky when you are doing the pictures. So that's design 2. We'll make that one design 3. We're trying to do this without having to upload without having to do all of the variations. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, that's 4. So we somewhere off in there. I'm missing some because ain't I on design 5? Wait a minute. What did we do, y'all? We missing some. Okay, so this here, we're gonna take that out and do that again. So this gonna be our 5. And now let me go up to my 4. That's my 4, which should be this one. I'm trying to do it in the order that is. And this one should be my 3, which is this one. My 2, that's the one I missed. So 5, 4, 3, 2. And there we go. Let's see if we have them all and the colors changing. I may have to go in and put that image on all of my design 2s, all of my design 3s, all of my like that on all of them in every size. I'm hoping not today, because I've been on here for a while now, and I'm getting tired. Okay. Okay. So let's do an update and let's see what we have. Let's do an update. Let's see what we have. I'm just showing you guys how to make money. How to make money, baby, without you going in and having to create these products yourself. Okay? That's what we're doing. So we got our t-shirt colors. Y'all know we're gonna switch that out because we're only gonna offer this in the one color. Remember, I said we only gonna offer that product in one color. We're not gonna offer that product in all the colors because we don't feel like it today. We don't want to do it in all colors. But when we go to the sizes, this is what we are concerned about. We see here all of this stuff which should change. When we go to colors, they're all going to be the same. But when we go into 2X, we should have a change in the price. And we ain't got no price changing. We ain't got no price changing. Oh, we got a problem. Oh, we got a problem. We ain't got nothing doing nothing right now. Let's see. Did I save that? Did I save it? Let's see here. When we going into 2X, we should be showing some prices here. Hold on, y'all. Hold on, because I got a problem. I know what's going on. I think it's this custom label. Enable. Okay, show this here. Instead of the price, show that. And then after the price, y'all, let me disable this for just a minute and see, is that affecting that price? Because we need to see the price, boo. I might have to go and fix that. Let's see. If it's not there, then it's a problem with the variation. Okay. Here's the t-shirt color. Here is small 28. Okay. If it is a t-shirt, okay, we know that we're not going to have t-shirts. So let's see. Okay, something is happening and the prices are not being shown. Why? Why? What are you doing, boo? What are you doing? Okay, so let's see. Oh, maybe it's because we have not done. There we go. There we go, y'all. There we go. Okay, but I want to change this style number. Okay, so there's design 1. There's design 2. There's design 3. There's design 4. There's design 5. Okay. Now, what I want to do is I want to change this, and I want this to be at the top. Okay. Let's go in here. Let's change this. And we'll go back and figure out this on the labels in a little bit. We want to go back into these attributes and the design style right here. We want that to be on top. Okay. And then the shirt color and then the sizes, because that is what's changing pretty much prices. Okay. So I'm going to take a look at that. See how I feel about it. And then I do see a few things that I want to change. What did just happen? Did I just add a new product or what the? Let's go back over here to all products. Okay, here we go. So the Mama Claus shirt. Okay. Let's just do that again. Oh, is that money? Is that money? Let's go. Let's see. Is that money? Let's see what's going on. Normally that's my money sound, y'all. Okay. Where you at, Etsy? Let's go, Etsy. That's that Etsy sound right there, y'all. Uh-huh. Crafty Boss still selling. I keep telling y'all. One product. She rolling. She rolling. She rolling, rolling, rolling. She rolling. She rolling. That Crafty Boss still selling, y'all. Mm-hmm. Keep her going. Oh, just imagine if I was to go ahead and really focus my attentions on the Etsy store like I should. Y'all look here. Baby, look. Whoo, honey. Whew, we gonna let that off today. Let that on down. Let that on down, son. Whew, okay. Mm-hmm. I keep telling you, Tampa. You focus on. If I just imagine if. Sometimes I say to myself, girl, imagine if you really just focused like I did the Etsy store as Crafty Boss was actually just something for you guys, just to show, hey, that you could do this and you could become a top seller on Etsy and star seller and you could do this or that. And we literally did it, and then I just let it go by the wayside. However, I tell you guys, you should do it. Keep it going. Because, baby, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Here we go. Woo, them some long names. When I tell y'all, okay, so now we have our design one, our shirt color, our shirt sizes, and all of that, right? Whatever we gonna do. Design 2, design 3, design 4, design 5. So I want to change this, and I want this to say choose your design style, right? So here I want to change that to choose your design style, and then I'm also going to only offer this in this one color, which is going to be the cream. So I'm going to take the t-shirts off, the t-shirt option here off. So let's go in and let's go on and do that. Over here in our attributes, I want that to be choose a design style, and then here in t-shirt color, I want this to be offered in a white or sand. That's what we're going to do. I only want to offer it in a light color. And we'll leave a sports gray on there too. No, we're not going to leave the sports gray. We're going to leave white or sand. They doing good to get that. Okay, so let's also, here under size, let's go ahead and get rid of the ring spun cotton t-shirts and only offer this item in what I want to offer it in. Okay, now we'll go ahead and we'll update our product. How y'all doing? Y'all catching it? You catching it? Or y'all real quiet out there? You're real quiet out there. Okay, so here we go. Now we have all of this. Now, I'll show y'all something. You see this right here? I kind of want to change that. I don't want that. And I'm going to end up adding some space here. I've had that problem the last couple of weeks, and I got to figure that out. But we're going to kind of change this, and I may do the title here, and then we're going to change this where it's going to say from this to this. We'll go back in and we'll change that, but we'll go ahead and let's go ahead and do that now, the starting at, and then we'll get that off of there and see what we can do with the tags. Let's see here. So on our price labels, let's say starting at, how much was that item, y'all? Was it $28.98? Let's go back and update that, and hopefully this is okay. I hate it when, so let me tell you guys this plugin. This plugin is called Custom Price Labels. If you have a custom website and you have all from this to that, sometimes you just want it to say starting at a certain price, right? That plugin really makes a difference for me. Okay, so I want this gone, and I actually want to see the name of this product up here. So let's go over here to customize and see if I can find out where this is, because sometimes I forget where stuff is, y'all. So let's see. Let's go over here, and over here, let's get up out of there. We was over there in general. That's our layout. Our layout is fine. We fine with the layout. Let's go to the product catalog. We are fine with all of this here. This has nothing to do with what we doing. A single product has nothing to do with what we doing. We supposed to be over in somewhere. Here we go. Oh, what happened to my product? I got out of there and it took me into the shopping cart. I was not trying to go into the shopping cart. We not ready for the shopping cart. Okay. Let's go right here. So under the product, here we go. We was looking for those breadcrumbs right here under these breadcrumbs. Now, why is that looking like that? I tell you, let's see here. Something is really going on with why that is giving me the business and looking like that. Y'all, that's weird. That is weird. It's actually doing a bunch of weird stuff over here. Yeah, reload it and let me see. Let me see what I'm on over there. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's try it again. Let's see what I have the view set on. I got it set on 100. I'm looking for them breadcrumbs. There they go. I want those off of this product. Okay, where are they and why? So maybe let's go here and see if maybe I can find them over here. Okay, they have disappeared. It's not showing me. Single product, product title area. See, will it give me the name back? It's not. You pissing me off now. Okay. Y'all, sometimes I be having plugins and baby. Okay, so that title should be showing. That means that I turned it off somewhere else. So we got the titles, the rating should be showing, the short description, the add to cart, the payments, the category. Okay, let's do enable breadcrumbs and take that off. Okay, that's a lot better. That's a lot better, but we still need, now you can enable free shipping here or whatever you wanted if you went over here. See how that says plus you could enable free shipping or say flat rate shipping. We're not going to say nothing about the shipping over here. We're not going to say nothing about the shipping over here. right now. I am still having a problem. Let's go on and publish that. Now we need to find those tags and tags. Oh, let's see here. General. Okay, so you are only showing me minimum quantity plus and minus. I didn't know that they had that one in here. So, okay. So let's figure out something. Let's go here. And let's see if now I find this. Because somewhere in here I turned off those titles on those pages. Oh, I remember why. Because the header was coming up there. Okay. So let's see. Global header, bottom contents. Button, scroll to top, accessibility. Gotta find it. Container. And the container. Buttons. Okay. Well, I don't know. I'll go ahead and connect this because it's not connected to the product. Yep, it's not connected. Okay, so let me do that. That did show me that we got those titles hid, the breadcrumbs hidden. They're still coming up in search, y'all. They are just hidden, so they're still coming up. Let's go ahead and connect that product. And then, so let's go to products and let's connect that product. Oh, and we need to add the personalization option on there for that product too. So let's go to edit, and then let's copy this link. And then while we are on here, let's go ahead and add our add-on to add the personalization, because I don't think that we added that. And I think that's just a space. I think it's just a space for them to add names. And I'll probably go in and add something there and say, hey, you can do, as many names as you like, whatever. Okay, so so this one I'm going to actually have to customize it because I just have on here add your name. So I'm going to have to customize it for them to, and just say add custom, whatever on there. Okay, so let's go back to home and go ahead and link this product. And we still have not gotten to shipping because we then have to go in, you then have to go in and set your shipping for all of this stuff, right? And I do believe that my shipping is pretty much set by the price and not by the weight. I pretty much know by the quantities of things, because all t-shirts pretty much weigh the same. All hoodies pretty much weigh the same. Might be, let's say you got a 6 ounce or 8 ounce, but you're pretty much on the same thing. So I do very, very simple shipping. Very simple shipping, y'all. So right here, we're going to do custom URL. Add the URL that we pasted And then I'm going to also add it here. And that's going to remove that Christmas ornament stuff that we had. So we should have 6 of the 8 things linked so far. And we're pretty much ready to go. On this one, I'm not going to, let me see if it has a link. It does. If you have not gotten to the item, right, just take the link off. Just take the link off. That way, that way they actually have to turn around and call you. Let's just go here and, okay. I'm over there messing up. Yep. Everybody messes up sometimes. Blame it on me. What is going on? And why you not letting me? Oh, it's the website, y'all. Okay. Let's duplicate it and add that there. And that one's going to take them to that one. But we'll just go ahead and take the link off of there. And I will update it. Did I take off all those colors off of there? Yeah, I did. So the only other thing that you might want to add, because you do want to make, so these images, anything that you're doing here. So if you're working in WordPress, I'm not sure about other websites, but if you're working in WordPress, you can always take this item right here. You're going to click it and then go over here and hit save as template, right? This one is, and then save it, right? So I've already got, I think it's under Christmas products. So next year, or the next time that holiday comes around, you will not have to go in and recreate that same thing because it's already there. See how it says Christmas holiday template? And I had another one, and I'm going to go ahead and delete that one. Now, in the event that you were to switch hosts, or you want to delete this and or download it, upload it onto another site or what have you, you would definitely be able to do that too, because you saved that template. And so you could download that template and export it to the next person's site. So sometimes I'll have people that'll say, hey, can I grab such and such from you? Like if you were to hit me up and I said, girl, you can have this, it's gonna cost you $100 though. You would then, I would just export it, pop it over there to you, and you would just import it to your site and you done. Okay. So let's go ahead and exit up out of this. I've got a good place to stop, and we are good to go on our website today. You guys have any questions before I get off of here? Yeah, it has been a long day. So we still working, but we got some, we done went in, we done did a bunch of optimizing, a bunch of stuff that we got going on. We're going to be able to use this as a product category. Next year, we can actually take this and put it on a page, because if it's a template, we can take it, we can put it on a page. It'll be so easy when, let's say, for example, New Year's comes, maybe you want to switch out the designs and do New Year's designs, or you want to do whatever designs, you could actually do this and then save it and then just have it hidden and it's already ready to go. Um, I think I'm pretty good with this right now. So we have, they can choose the design. They can choose the shirt color, either white or sand. They can choose the sweatshirt. And the only thing that we don't have on here would be like the dimensions of the sweatshirt. And so what you could do with that is you could literally go to your distributor's website or your website, and you can put in sweatshirt. I think it is the 1800 or whatever that you want to put in. Let's say if we were doing the G1800, let's go with this one. We can literally go in here and take this description here, right here out, and copy it and come over here, and we can put that down here under our description or additional information, wherever we want it to be. I'll go in and pop in something in here. It could also be here in your short description, but we're going to put it in our long description right here. Paste, quick and easy. Okay, and let's update. And then there's something else that we can take from over there too, which is the sizing information right here. So we could literally take this right here and go copy, and we can take this and put this in here. And I don't know if that's going to paste in proper, just because it's so long the way it is. It may not paste in proper for us. I like to actually put that in as a picture. Okay, it did. Let's take it. Let's see. Oh, you're not gonna go in and let me make you smaller? Nope, you're not. Okay, so that's this sizing information. Let's just hit update and see if it saves. Let's see if it saves. Sometimes there are little cards and you can take a photo and then you can put it in there as a card. But here we have all of that information in here. Now, how I got this on the end, I don't know, but we don't have that. But this, you have that information in there. It's good to actually have it up here. Let's see if we can just go in and take a screenshot of it and do this number. Let's just take a screenshot of our screen. I know you guys can't really see it. Boom. So I just took a screenshot of the whole screen and I'm going to save it. Okay, and I'm going to save it. It's saved under screenshot in my downloads. And then I can go here, edit this product. And we can have some information that we can put up in here in the product gallery for our clients. So they can, a lot of times people are looking for stuff and they may not look all the way down there. And you already got it here, right? So let's go ahead and show you one more thing before I get off of here. So we got that there. We're gonna do we're gonna go ahead and change this, and this is going to be G800 sizes, size chart. Let's say size chart. And that way you know what this is, right? And if you wanted to add some descriptions and all that stuff here, you could, but this one ain't that serious to do. But if we update, and now we got a cute little size chart over there for the peoples. Okay. And we labeled that so the next time we need that size chart, we don't have to be going through and looking for it. There is the size chart. Now, of course, that's a little dark, but it is there. I can see it down here too. But that's just another option. Now I've got to go in and do something about my tags. And I'm going to go ahead and get up off of here for today, y'all, because it's been a long day. It's 6:44, honey. T-Baby is out after 6 o'clock. I turn into T-Baby, and I'm just T. See y'all later. Y'all have a good one. Hope you guys, you know what? It is slow. It is slow. But you gotta do some things sometimes to bring in clientele in that winter time. Go in, revamp your site, sis. You have to constantly switch up things with your site. Go in, make sure that you're still popping. Go, because baby, this is the time of year that Google will remove you. So you got to go in, you got to make sure that, hey, you still there, you still popping up, you still doing good. Go in, you need to, if you're not doing Google Analytics, you need to go in, you need to add Google Analytics to your website, and you probably could do some ads. This will help me. I'm getting ready to run an ad, y'all, and I still ain't put that ad up there. But this is my deal and match ad. If you out there, baby, let me tell y'all something, because y'all can get this too. We got a going out of my mind sale that's right here. Okay, it's $1.99 for 24 pieces of premium Hanes merch. I'm not talking about the cheap t-shirts. We're not talking about no gilding. We're talking about some high quality Hanes 8-ounce hoodies, sweatshirts, t-shirts, in random sizes and colors. You cannot beat it. Okay, I've only got about 1,000 pieces available, or so I'm telling everybody. And it's in black, white, or ink, black or white ink. You get one print placement, front, back, or left chest, right chest, wherever you want it to be. 24 pieces for $1.99. Within this, I'm guaranteeing that you're going to get at least 6 hoodies and 6 pieces of each, at least 6 of anything, right? That's the guarantee. And this ships out within like 10 days. All right, y'all. I'm gone. I'm tired, honey. Tired. Oh, did I put radio field there and did not change that to shipping or delivery? You guys did not see on any of the products that we added today, but in the video this morning, I did show you guys how to do the drag and drop of the files. All right, y'all. That's it. Yeah, girl. Go in and do some stuff. If you want to play around with, Keisha, if you want to play around with the Facebook ad thing, then hey, we can do that. I actually started to do a Facebook ad the other day and did not run the ad. Got off of Facebook and started doing some other things. But everything is ready here for me to run the ad. It did not, yeah. So everything is here for me to run the ad. I think it told me that I needed to add some information. So here we go right here. Mine is actually ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and hit that shop now. And actually, when I get off of here, I'm going to go ahead and publish this. So I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Y'all have a good one. Bye-bye.